I'm going to talk about healing the fatty liver. Join us as we explore what fatty liver is, why it occurs, and most importantly, the 3 key strategies to heal fatty liver naturally. Before we talk about essential strategies to heal fatty liver, you must understand what fatty liver is and why it develops. Chapter 1: Fatty liver disease. Fatty liver, also known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when fat accumulates in the liver cells, leading to an imbalance in lipid metabolism. This excess fat can impede liver function and trigger inflammation, setting the stage for liver damage and potentially progressing to more severe conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. But why does this happen? Several factors can contribute to the development of fatty liver. One of the primary culprits is excessive consumption of fructose and sugar. When we consume high amounts of fructose and sugar, especially in the form of processed foods and sugary beverages, the liver becomes overwhelmed and converts the excess sugar into fat. This process, known as de novo lipogenesis, leads to the accumulation of fat in the liver cells. To combat fatty liver, it's essential to address the root cause by drastically reducing your intake of fructose and sugar. This leads us to our first key strategy. Before that, let's enter to the next chapter. Chapter 2: The 3 key strategies to heal fatty liver disease. Strategy number 1: extremely reduce fructose and sugar consumption. Take a close look at your diet and identify sources of hidden sugars. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible and steer clear of sugary snacks, desserts, and beverages. Instead, focus on incorporating nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Reducing fructose and sugar consumption can play a crucial role in healing fatty liver by addressing the root cause of fat accumulation in the liver and supporting overall liver health. Here's how it works. First, preventing excess fat formation. When you consume excess fructose and sugar, particularly in the form of high fructose corn syrup found in many processed foods and sugary beverages, the liver converts them into triglycerides, a type of fat. These triglycerides accumulate in the liver cells, leading to the development of fatty liver disease. By drastically reducing your intake of fructose and sugar, you can prevent the excess formation of fat in the liver, thereby halting the progression of fatty liver disease. Second, reducing lipogenesis. Fructose metabolism in the liver stimulates de novo lipogenesis, a process by which the liver synthesizes fatty acids from carbohydrates. This contributes to the accumulation of fat in the liver and exacerbates fatty liver disease. By minimizing your intake of fructose and sugar, you can reduce the substrate available for lipogenesis, thereby slowing down the production of new fat in the liver. Third, lowering inflammation. Excessive consumption of fructose and sugar has been associated with increased inflammation in the liver, which contributes to the progression of fatty liver disease. By reducing fructose and sugar intake, you can lower inflammation levels in the liver, thereby reducing the risk of liver damage and promoting healing. Fourth, promoting weight loss. Sugary foods and beverages are often calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain and obesity, both of which are risk factors for fatty liver disease. By cutting back on fructose and sugar, you can lower your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss, which in turn reduces the accumulation of fat in the liver and improves liver function. Strategy number 2: enter fat burning state. In addition to dietary changes, getting your body into a fat-burning state can help reduce liver fat and improve overall metabolic health. By adopting a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, commonly referred to as a ketogenic or keto diet, you can shift your body's primary fuel source from glucose to fat. This metabolic switch promotes ketosis, where your liver produces ketone bodies from fat stores, including those in the liver, to fuel your cells. Focus on consuming healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish while limiting your intake of carbohydrates. This approach not only supports fat loss but also helps regulate insulin levels and reduce liver fat accumulation. Studies have demonstrated that ketogenic diets are effective in reducing liver fat content in individuals with fatty liver disease. By promoting the breakdown of stored fat for energy and limiting the availability of carbohydrates for fat synthesis, ketogenic diets lead to a decrease in liver fat accumulation over time. This reduction in liver fat content is associated with improvements in liver function and overall metabolic health. Ketogenic diets have been found to modulate inflammatory pathways in the liver, leading to a reduction in liver inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of liver damage in fatty liver disease, and by reducing inflammation, ketogenic diets help mitigate liver injury and promote healing. Strategy number 3. Get into autophagy. Autophagy, a natural cellular process, plays a vital role in cellular maintenance and repair, including the removal of damaged or excess cellular components like fat droplets in the liver. Fasting is one of the most effective ways to stimulate autophagy and promote liver health. By abstaining from food for extended periods, typically 16 to 24 hours or more, you can trigger autophagy, allowing your body to break down and recycle damaged cellular components, including stored fat. Experiment with intermittent fasting or extended fasting protocols to find what works best for you. Start slowly and gradually increase the duration of your fasts over time. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body's cues throughout the fasting process. This is additional for you. Take TUDCA supplement. Taurosodiacetyl acid, or TUDCA, is a bile acid that has gained attention for its potential benefits in liver health. TUDCA has been shown to exert anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cytoprotective effects, making it a promising supplement for individuals with fatty liver disease. TUDCA works by reducing liver inflammation, promoting bile flow, and protecting liver cells from damage. By addressing key mechanisms involved in the pathogenesis of fatty liver disease, TUDCA holds promise as a therapeutic agent for the treatment and management of this condition. We have one more bonus for you. Consume omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids from supplement or found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit liver health. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet or taking omega-3 supplements can help reduce liver inflammation, improve lipid metabolism, and support overall liver function. Make it a priority to include omega-3 rich foods in your diet regularly. Your liver will thank you for the nourishment. Fatty liver is one of the stages of overall liver disease stages. The common key of reducing risk of fatty liver or even heal the fatty liver disease is by reduce inflammation in our liver. It can be achieved by doing those 5 key strategies. And there you have it, 3 essential strategies to help you heal fatty liver naturally. By addressing the root causes, making dietary modifications, incorporating lifestyle changes, and considering targeted supplements, you can support your liver on its journey to optimal health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more liver health tips and insights. Until next time, take care and be well.